Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix text message notifications not showing on iPhone. And here's how it's done. First, go to settings on your iPhone and we will check a couple of things. Start by tapping on notifications. At the top, make sure you have either stack or list selected, as this determines how notifications appear on your lock screen. Next, scroll down and tap on messages or iMessage. I recommend toggling off allow notifications and then turning it back on. This resets everything and helps resolve any issues. After that, ensure everything is toggled on. Lock screen, notification center, and banners. For the banner style, I suggest setting it to persistent instead of temporary. You can also choose a sound for your message alerts. By default, it might say note, but you can change it or select haptics for vibration along with the sound. Next, check that focus mode is not enabled. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to see if any focus modes like Do Not Disturb are turned on. If so, turn them off, as this can block notifications from coming through. If you are still having issues, there are a couple more steps to try. Go back into Settings, tap on General, scroll down, and select Shutdown. Restarting your iPhone often resolves any message notification issues, so power it off and then back on. If that doesn't work, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and then choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode, and this will restore your iPhone settings to their default, including all your notification settings. This can often fix any underlying issues with notifications. Lastly, if all else fails, it could be a bug in the system. Check for a software update under Settings. General. If there is an update available, install it, as updates often fix bugs that might be causing issues with notifications. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix text message notifications not showing on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.